They call it 3 birds in 1 shot. Now, this is embutido with waterless. Hello, good morning. This is your chef for the day, Auntie Shoni. I will be cooking a recipe. They call it 3 birds in 1 shot. Now, this is embutido, patties, and then meatloaf. This recipe is our traditional recipe, but it was innovated through the use of our new cookware, the Salad Master Way. Our recipe are the following: 1.5 kilogram pork, chorizo de Bilbao, 1 carrot big, 1 meatloaf, 2 bell pepper, 3 onions, 6 egg yolk, and then 2 eggs with white as binder. Then we have raisins, we have anchor butter, and then we have pickle relish. This recipe is good especially for our young children na nagbabaon o kumakain instead na fast food ang kanilang nakain. I will show you how. This ground pork is marinated with pepper and salt, toyo, and oyster sauce. Usually, we ground the pork together with all the ingredients. But the modern way, we have to mince it separately so that it will be economical and very healthy and sanitary if we will mince it separately. Now, let us pour them all together. Tambak system. This is onion, bell pepper, carrot, chorizo de Bilbao, celery, minced meatloaf, 6 egg yolk, the eggs with egg white as binder. To make it a little bit sweeter, let us put some raisin, pickles, small bottle, red cloves. Okay? This is very important, the butter. Nino-moist niya yung mixture. Sasabihin nyo, ang daming ricado pala. Madaming ang ricado, pero healthy, especially for children. At saka sa mga mahilig sa fast food, pwede na to. Okay? Sa embutido, ang magiging yield natin dito for every cups, around 15. Pwede nating pang negosyo, pero sasabihin nyo, mahal na pang negosyo ito kasi ang lutuan natin, mahal din, di ba? And then this one, mimix na natin. At ang pagluto ng embutido, walang tubig, waterless. Basta yung sarili niyang katas, lalabas. Yun ang magluluto sa kanyang sarili. Then, sa mga magbabaon or may burger, pwede tayong gumawa ng patties din. Then, lagyan natin ng kaunting sugar. Yan. Itong laurel, pampabango lang ito habang ini-spin natin sa sarili. Pakikita ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano iluto ng walang tubig. This recipe is 3 in 1. Ngayon, if you want to make Shanghai, maghanda kayo ng mga isang guhit na hipon, tagtarin ninyo, pwede na Shanghai. Meron lang tayong frozen na ganitong timpla. Hindi na tayo tatakbo sa Jollibee. Jollibee, 100 agad. This is for meatloaf. This is for meatloaf. Okay. This is embutido with waterless. Waterless embutido. Then biniwok, steam for 30 minutes. We have patties, embutido, then we have the meatloaf. 3-in-1 recipe using the Salad Master Cooker.